A total of 144 police officers from Nigeria have arrived in Somalia to serve under the African Union Mission to Somalia (AMISOM) for a period of 1 year. During their stay in Somalia, the officers are expected to provide operational support and boost the morale of the Somali police force. On arrival in Mogadishu on a flight from the Nigerian capital, Abuja, the police officers were subjected to medical checks by Somali Ministry of Health officials as part of COVID-19 protocols before being briefed by AMISOM police officials. Speaking on how the officers will be useful to the force, AMISOM Police Operations Coordinator, Deputy Commissioner of Police Daniel Ali Gwambal, said 30 police officers will be deployed to Beletuen in Ishabelle State, while the rest will serve in various capacities in the capital, Mogadishu.
They are here in order to fulfill the mandate of AMISOM with regard to operational support to the Somalis and at the same time to mentor the Somali police force. There are certain specific duties also that is incumbent on them to perform while they are here, such as vehicular check patrol, guard static duties, and other duties that involve global policing.
The Nigerian officers will also take on the duty of providing VIP escort and protection services, training and assisting the Somali police force in public order management, conducting joint patrols with their Somali counterpart, and securing key government installations and high-level events. The arrival of the new contingent from Nigeria, West Africa, is a big boost to law and order efforts, as they are expected to take active participation in concert with their Somali counterparts in ensuring improved security in the already liberated areas. The commander of the newly deployed unit, Superintendent of Police Samuel Ita, said his men are ready to begin discharge their duties to help advance the mission's mandate.
We as a Nigerian contingent, we should come and provide our quotas towards the restoration of a lasting peace here in Somalia. Of course, we intend to mentor the Somalian police here also, most especially in the area of training and in retraining to ensure that they meet with national and international standard.
Standard eyes. Yeah. Gentlemen, you are highly welcome.
Thank you, sir.
We give God the glory that you've arrived safely.
Thank you, sir.
Your arrival here means work has commenced, isn't it?
Yes, sir.